Hey, what's up guys? This is Taylor, and I'm doing the free video for Wednesday, July 12th. So we got the CPI report this morning, and a pretty good gap to the upside. So the markets continue to look pretty good here. On the Big 3 indicator, we have buy signals on the weekly chart, the daily chart, the 2-hour, 1 hour, and the 30-minute for the S&Ps. And for the Qs here, we have buy signals on the weekly chart, 2-hour, 1 hour, and the 30-minute, with a brand new squeeze here on the daily time frame. So everything looking good as far as the indexes go. And I just cranked up the scans here for the daily squeeze. So I've already gone through these and handpicked a few of them. And as far as a few that are catching my eye here, the first one would be Amazon. The Big Zon. So Amazon here has a daily squeeze. And we're pretty locked and loaded as far as buy signals go. Weekly chart, 2-hour, 1 hour, all the way down to the 5-minute. And what I like about Amazon here is the nested squeeze setup. So inside the daily squeeze, we got a squeeze-a-roo setting up here on the 4-hour chart. So from that nested squeeze, you try to look for that domino effect. 4-hour squeeze fires long, and potentially that goes on to trigger your daily squeeze. So Amazon looking pretty sharp, and then Microsoft here has been a little bit sloppy this week, but you have a lot of squeeze action going on. 2-day, daily, 4-hour, 15-minute, 5-minute squeeze. For now, I would have to grade out Amazon as a little bit better than Microsoft. If you look at the indicator here, the only lower time frame buy signal for Microsoft is over on that 30-minute chart, where Amazon, as a comparison, has buy signals from the 5-minute all the way up to the 2-hour. So to me, that just means Amazon might be a little bit more ready for a pop. But inside that daily squeeze, if we can start getting some fresh buy signals on the 5-minute and the 15-minute here for Microsoft, then I think you're looking for a pop out of that daily squeeze. So you got some Amazon, some Microsoft. We have Netflix here, sticking with the theme of a daily squeeze, which is exactly a week from today. So that's kind of cutting it close as far as, maybe getting locked and loaded for a big swing trade. But put earnings aside, you've got your daily squeeze, you got some buy signals here, and I do think that should set you up for a breakout above that 450. Next up is Nvidia, and as you guys can tell, these are all daily squeezes. So it's kind of the same song and dance. Daily squeeze sets the stage for a push higher. And if you get a bunch of buy signals here on the Big 3 indicator, that tells you there's a pretty good chance the squeeze wants to fire to the upside. So Nvidia's looking pretty good. You have Shopify here with a squeeze on the 2-day chart and the daily chart, with a whole lot of buy signals, and then even McDonald's. Throwing a wild card into the mix here. McDonald's has a squeeze on the 3-day, the 2-day, the daily, the 4-hour, 2-hour, and the 15-minute. So all kinds of good squeeze action. The thing about the gap up today, though, is it did leave things a little bit stretched on your lower time frames. So check this out. On the hourly chart here for the S&Ps, if we take these Keltner channels and we have them measure 4 average true range moves above the 21, which as far as an extension goes, it's kind of an extreme. The S&Ps, the Qs, a lot of your big tech names, they did open up here at +4 on the hourly charts this afternoon. So a couple of ways things could unfold from here, and there's definitely the potential that tomorrow we gap up, and they just keep the party going. But usually what I would look for is a little something like you had back here, where you get your initial push, you trade into these upper extensions, and then you get the back test. Pulls back to an hourly 21, finds some support, you reload with a fresh buy signal on the Big 3 indicator. From there, you're looking for your next push to the upside. So for the S&Ps, for the Qs, for the Nvidias and Netflixes of the world, what I would love to see tomorrow, or perhaps into Friday, is one more kickback to the hourly 21. That's where I'm looking for support. And then so long as the structure and the signals remain bullish, That's where I'm trying to come in and buy some calls, sell some puts, looking for the next turn to the upside. Let's check out, see, Google here on the hourly. Google not too stretched. Nvidia looks a little bit more like your S&Ps and your Qs. So that is the theme that I am working, my friends. Weekly charts look bullish, your daily charts look bullish. For a lot of these names, you have a lot of nested squeezes. So a little bit of a dip should make for a good buying opportunity, and then we'll see what's up from there. So as always, we appreciate y'all watching. And before I let you go, we have a webinar tonight with Allison, John, and Cody on their new Small Account Secrets 2.0. So they've joined forces for the Small Account Mastery, and tonight they're going to talk about their 3 keys to reliable gains with limited capital. So be sure to check that out. We'll put a link down in the description. But otherwise, have a great night, and I'll talk to y'all in the next one. Adios. What's up, traders? This is Taylor from Simpler Trading. I wanted to thank you for watching our video, and if you liked the video, go on ahead and comment down below, hit that like button, and make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell icon to get a notification anytime we upload our next video. And of course, if you want to watch us trade live in real time with our own money, check us out at simplertrading.com. Until then, trade safe, and I'll catch you in the next video.